beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the unboxing of this month's May's Glossybox. I am so excited. Wait till you see the box of this one. I mean, you've probably seen it in the thumbnail anyway, but it is beautiful. If you are new here, by the way, hello, welcome. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on. I do upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, but I do bonus videos and I've got a couple of themed weeks coming up as well, so turn that notification bell on and then you won't miss a thing. I also have just started a vlog channel as well. My first video has already gone up, so I will leave that link down below. It's called Life with Luce. So I'll leave a link down below. Please go give it a little look and subscribe if you like what you see. But let's just get into this month's Glossybox. She is beautiful. I hoard boxes. How am I supposed to get rid of this one? I'm not going to be able to. I'm going to have to use it for something. A lot of my drawers are kind of divided and organised with glossy boxes, Look Fantastic boxes, latest and beauty boxes. I can't help it. I just can't throw away a good box, and this one is not going anywhere. This one is beautiful. So I do have a discount code as well. If you use the code LUCES, so LUCES, I will leave it linked down below. You'll get your first box from Glossybox for £11. So let's get into it. Let's see what's inside this month's box and whether it's worth the money. By the way, this is all like raised, like it's dead posh. It just says on the front to let the sun shine. It gets me so excited for like the warmer months come in. So as always, we have the little leaflet inside, and it has 5 products in this one, and all of them are full. Oh no, there's one that's deluxe mini. 4 of them are full size as well, which is crazy. And it has a little sneak peek for June's box. So the little sneak peek for June's box is the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Scrub Fix. So that's exciting. So let's just get straight into it. Even like I haven't opened it yet myself, but even the tissue paper is beautiful for this month's one. So the first one, we'll start with the deluxe mini, and then the rest of them are going to be full size. So this is the Mind Tan Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. It has a little top tip for every single product as well, so I'll let you know them too. But this is basically a deluxe mini. It's worth £13.35, so still worth quite a bit considering it's a mini. Full size is worth £28.60, and obviously it's to help to kind of moisturise your skin after you've been out in the sun or you've got any sunburn. It says top tip is a cold shower before use will hydrate your sunburnt skin even further. So hopefully we'll actually be able to travel somewhere this year, or even sometimes we get burnt anyway from the, well, a lot of people get burnt from the British sun as well. So yeah, that's really nice to have, and even as a deluxe mini, it's still worth £13.35, which is really good. Next up is a product from Ciate. This is their Gold Define liner. This retails for £18, which is crazy. And the top tip for this one is for brighter eyes, use on the inner corners of your lids. So this is a gel eyeliner with sharpener, and she just looks like this. Crazy that that's worth £18, especially considering the box would be cheaper than that. Next up, we have a product from, is it Rodile? I think that's Rodile, I don't know. These are the Dragon's Blood Eye Masks for hydrating and toning. It says it'll depuff with these cellulose. Why do they always have like weird names for me to say? I just can't pronounce. Eye masks. So these retail for £6, which is crazy for an eye mask. This is what it looks like. It says it'll brighten your eyes, and again, the kind of top tip for this one is a cooling effect leaves your under eyes refreshed. It's not really a tip, that one, it's more of a fact, but we'll roll with it. Next up, we have a lemon shower gel. Revitalising shower gel with a lemon extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. This is from the brand Q-Ski Naturals. Oh my god, that smells amazing. It smells like lemon sherbet, to be honest with you. It says it's a natural shower gel that cleanses and protects, has revitalising lemon and chamomile extracts. It feels really like cool, like really cold. And then last but certainly not least, we have a full-size product from Lottie London. This is the Power Foil in the shade Golden Hour. So this is a golden metallic eyeshadow. It retails for £6.95, and the top tip for this one is to layer it up for a more striking glam look. So it says it's a versatile, high coverage, metallic gold eyeshadow. It's designed to give you an intense foil kind of finish with just one swipe. It says it looks stunning both blended out and natural, and layered up to create a more glam look as well. This would be really nice for summer. I feel like this box is kind of really nice for summer. You've got kind of your after sun gel for you. You've got your shower gel. You've got like your little pencil that will kind of brighten up the eyes. You've got a little bit of shim for the eyelids that you can build up, or you can have natural. And then if you've got dry under eyes, you've got the little gels for the underneath your eyes as well. So yeah, that is everything that is in May's Glossybox. I don't get any kind of commission or anything from you using the code, but I do get commission if you buy through my link down below at no extra cost to yourself. So thank you so much if you do use my links ever for buying things. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, thank you so much, and thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this to me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to my patrons for being as lovely as always. If you are interested in joining my exclusive Patreon community, I will leave it all linked down below. It starts as little as £1, and it's just absolutely amazing. I love my patrons so much. It's like 48 of us now, which is just crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Love you so much. Bye bye.